How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we are going to do how to get veiny hands permanently in 3 minutes, step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, dylanberg999. First exercise we are going to do is hand curls. So I like to do high reps, you guys, always high reps. I don't think doing 10 or 15 reps is really going to cut it if you're trying to get veiny hands. So that's 20, keep going. That's 30. Now I do try to make them moderately hard, the exercises and the workouts, I mean. So that's 40, keep going. If you guys want more intense workouts or if you're finding these too easy, just comment in the comment section, let me know. It's 50, I will make them harder. Okay, quick little break. Next exercise we're gonna do is we're gonna wiggle our fingers just like this. So do this for 20 seconds. This is a great exercise, I love doing this exercise. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, next exercise that we're gonna do is squeeze holds. So get your hands squeezed really, really tight. Hold this for about 25 seconds. Squeeze, 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 keep going, keep going. Keep squeezing, really squeeze as hard as you can, you guys. Keep going, almost there, keep going. I hope you guys like this too, because I try to give you guys motivation. I try to give you like a pep talk, like keep going, keep going. Perfect, I think that does help. I know if I'm working out and someone's like, go, 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 it makes me work out a little bit harder. Okay, next exercise is gonna be extensions. That's 20, keep going. 30, keep going. 50, perfect. Quick little break. Okay, next exercise that we're gonna do is we're gonna do curls again. It's 30, keep going. It's 40, keep going. 50, perfect. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.